Do you want to know when to buy cryptocurrency during a bear market? In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 simple steps to know exactly when to buy during a bear market. Bear markets can be tough, can be overwhelming. The prices are going down and you're always looking for how low are the prices are going to go, and you're looking for when to buy your favorite coin. You're scrolling through CoinMarketCap, you have one of your favorite coins and you're wondering, should I buy that coin now during the bear market, or is it going to drop a lot lower? Here's how to know. Here's how to know exactly when to buy your favorite coin or Bitcoin during any bear market for the rest of your life. Pay close attention. There's only 3 distinct steps. What I want you to do is pull up a chart. And step number 1 is you're going to put this red line on the Bitcoin chart. All right, that's going to be the 200 MA. You're going to go to the 2-day chart. Then you're going to set up the RSI. The RSI, you're going to put this red line at 26. Then you're going to set up the stochastic RSI and put this line at 20. If you're not sure how to set up any of these, watch some of our other videos to set them up. Once you've got it set up, you're going to have a chart that looks exactly like this. And here's wherein lies the strategy. There's 3 distinct steps to the strategy, and I'm going to let you know if this strategy works with your favorite altcoin or does it work just with Bitcoin. But the 3 steps to the strategy are this. Step number 1, price action has to be below this red line. And again, that red line is the 200 MA and we're on the 2-day chart. Once you see price action below, you have 1 check mark. We need the other check mark to be true at exactly the same time. And the second check mark is, and step number 2 is the RSI below this 26 level? So far, we have yes and yes at precisely the same candle. And that's the key. These are 3 distinct steps, but they all need to be true at the same time. Now, step number 3, the stochastic RSI, which is this at the bottom, has to be below 20 at the same time. So if we zoom in here, this candle right here, we weren't quite there, but this next one, we were there. We were below this red line, we were below here, and we were below here. So this was the buying candle. You couldn't have bought at this candle. It was just this candle, literally only this candle. And that's back here in 2011. Now, and again, you're probably wondering, well, how about my favorite coin? Do I just set this up with Bitcoin, or do I use this strategy below with the other altcoins? Let me give you one more example and then I'll answer that question. So when it's below, sometimes you're going to have false signals. Sometimes you're going to have a signal that's trying to come through that's not actually true. For example, here we had below, but this was not below. Pay close attention because we need these 3 steps to be true at precisely the same candle. So this was not the best buying opportunity. It was this one. Below. So now that we've got that, you're wondering, okay, tell me about my favorite coin. The easiest solution is when you're on here on CoinMarketCap and you found your favorite coin and you're looking at the bear market and you want to buy, what I want you to do is set this chart up only on Bitcoin. And when it's true on Bitcoin, you're going to be able to go back to CoinMarketCap and know that we've reached the market bottom, and you're going to be able to basically close your eyes and buy anything in the top 10 or top 15, and you're going to look like a superhero. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. And you may say, well, how about the top 100? No, I suggest you stay in the top 10 or top 15. And that's going to tell you when to buy more Bitcoin or more cryptocurrency during a bear market. Because bear markets are tough, they're brutal. Now you've got this 3-step strategy that will save you and make you a lot of money. Share this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. There's only one question left: when to sell your cryptocurrency. Click right here, right now to find the 3 simple steps.